What happened?
Alright, chill out, Mickey Mouse, alright?
That's wildin', bro.
Hey, yo.
Ew, nice. What the fuck is that snap, bro? I smoked the Henny, bro. What?
Hey, you gotta smoke some Henny. It be like that sometimes.
I don't think it works like that.
Yeah, I don't think it is like that sometimes, bro.
This nigga smoking Henny.
Night's really off the rails tonight, huh?
Alright, so what happened was, my neighbor, he's a contractor, right? Or he be building some shit, like, and since he's a Jamaican, he works like extra hard, so he's been putting like additions onto his house, like he put like a porch type thing, yeah, porch type thing on his back porch.
On his dingas?
And he needed like some air conditioning in there, so we was putting like a mini split. It's like a ductless split system. So we was doing that, and I was like finished with my half, and my dad was inside doing his half. And he was like, "Hey," my dad was like, "Hey, you did your part. Go ahead, go home," because we live next door to each other. I just walked through the woods to get to my house. It's like not even 100 feet away, or probably from backyard to backyard.
So wait.
Who the fuck is Will Sean?
Yeah.
That's
What's up, Tyrone?
So you mean to tell me your neighbor got
Boy, what
you
is that
drunk?
dry ass crumbs you got
No,
in there,
I don't
bro?
think
Like,
he meant to do that at all. He was just giving me a
I
drink.
just grinded this up, bro. Chill.
look hella dry, bro.
For
It's
putting
not.
putting in the split
Does your
system.
dad
I
know?
don't even know. I honestly don't know. I didn't care because I was pissed off because of another reason. So I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna give me something to drink. And he was
Fuck
like,
you,
hey,
Dad.
what you want to drink? And I'm like, what you mean? Like, I hit him with the huh? And
What
he
do
was
you
like,
mean, brother?
He had like a mini bar in like
Nah, you know what? Fuck you, Dad.
Dad.
I hate
That he added on, and it was like a bunch of drinks there. He was like, "What you want to drink?" And I'm like, "My eyes are sitting on that Henny right there." And he was like, "All right, bet." And he got me a cup with some ice, and
Wait, you put ice in your Hennessy,
a
bro?
whole cup, like a whole cup, and drank
hear it.
that down.
I can hear the whole cup right now, like laughing.
And I poured me some more, and he was like, "Hey, bro, drink what you want. You gotta go anywhere tonight?" And I was like, "No."
Yeah.
He was like, "All right, nigga, go ahead, get you some more." He didn't say that, but it'd be like that. And first of all, that never happened, don't I? You need to stop talking about your first gay
nowhere
experience.
tonight.
I'm talking about my regular experience.
That nigga knows you're at home right now, and he finds
It ain't
out
like
your
that,
parents are
nigga.
here.
Shut up.
He's calling from inside the house.
Yo.
First of all,
the
you
tin
need to
can
get
from
to the
hell,
mic before you
bro.
ever speak to me, nigga.
Who the heck are you?
I
Your
think I'm
might's
like
going hard.
with a regular mic. Oh, mushmouth nigga, shut up.
Okay.
You sound like you're doing like the chubby
that
bunny
nice roast.
challenge, nigga. You sound like you got a mouthful of marshmallows. Shut up.
Okay.
We're
Why
doing the
you
X hamster challenge, bet.
Huh?
How many dicks can you fit in your mouth, nigga? You start.
Wait, young man talking to me.
Yo, this nigga popping off.
And yo, bizarro mic licking ass. You was up in the rabbit last night, laying on your stomach with your feet all up like a faggot, looking like donuts.
My feet wasn't
Looking like donut, bro. Wow.
What?
Hey, but
Nice.
nah, you the coolest gay nigga I
Hey,
know.
you like that
Wait, see, I can't lay down on my bed. Is that what you saying?
with your feet up
Not
in
with
the
your-
air,
not
looking
with
like
your face
My
donuts.
feet wasn't even up.
You in a room full of niggas.
But
with
how
your
is
face
my
cam on,
feet
looking
not up?
like
How is my
you
feet wasn't up?
Shut up, nigga. Get a better mic first of all.
How
and
is
then
my
shut
feet
up.
up?
Get the feet in the air, waiting for somebody.
But my feet weren't even in the air. I hate when niggas just make up shit and they get a root to react.
Chill out.
Okay, for EOS, you need to back up if you mic again a little bit.
I'm back. That's what I'm saying. I'm backed up.
Just a little bit.
I am. It's as good as I can go.
Tell
You
you, dog,
back to
like,
me where you can't hear him, nigga. That mic trash.
Okay.
nah, invest in the, like, headset, bro.
Invest. You said like the nigga got money. He lives in Columbus, Georgia. Them niggas ain't got no money.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Damn.
And these the jokes that y'all laugh to? Like, I don't want to say how that was funny.
that Henny kicking, bro. Like shit.
This nigga out here
He's just
flexing.
laughing at anything.